Hello, it's Andrew Pancioli here from the Market Timing Report. It is the morning in the UK of the 9th of January. And I just want to share a short video with you, which I think might be quite useful and also give you some ideas about what's going on with the markets, or at least what to prepare for. So first of all, yesterday we had a very big up bar on the S&P futures. And our market timing report, just released on the 1st of January 2024, had a key date of the 5th of January. And that low came in exactly as planned in terms of timing. So that's the first point to note. The next point to note really is that we've got some more important dates coming up. But I want to just share this with you because there's quite a lot of you who are out there who are bullish, and there's quite a few out there who are very bearish. And I know some of you even expecting a crash. So let me share some other information with you, and let's see what we can make of it. Now here we are inside our Commitment of Traders data platform, which is part of our Master Traders course and professional platform. And what we see here, the purpose of this platform is basically to give us an idea of what the smart money is doing and where we might be seeing potential moves coming in. And what we do here is we have a quick overview. This data is released by the CFTC every week. And it shows what the hedge funds are doing and what the smart money is doing. And we look for big changes. And anywhere that we see these coloured bars, especially if all three of them are coloured, we get interested in what's going on. And one of the things that's happened this last data release is that if we look at the Dow futures, we start seeing something really interesting. Now, the reason we use the Dow futures is the Dow futures are probably the best indicator in terms of smart money of what's happening to the US indices. And all of a sudden this week, they've gone down to 0, 0, and 0. Well, what does that mean? If we open this up, what we see is we have an index here. And this index tends to get to, when it's at the top here, we're looking at a very bullish situation. And when it gets to the bottom, which it hasn't done for quite a while, indeed, like this, we're looking at something where we should be aware that we could be, it doesn't guarantee it, but we could be looking at a bearish scenario or a very bearish scenario. And again, if you see here at this these highs here of the index, it was telling us to be aware for a buy, and that's exactly what we got there. So basically what we've also seen is this massive sell-off here. Now this is a sell-off, or at least a move of the index down to 0, and it's gone down very quickly. In fact, we haven't seen this sort of thing for really quite a while, all the way down here, and basically all the way back here. So that puts us on alert for potential sudden moves or extreme moves, and of course that's why we use the market timing report. Our histograms help fine-tune this because this is a course indicator. But if we zoom in on this, there's something very interesting we see. And what's been happening is that we have the commercial positions. So these are like the people that use this is the super smart money. These guys are pretty much always right. And what they've suddenly been doing is they've suddenly increased the amount of selling, and they've stopped the buying. Because you can, if you look at the green line and the red line, let me just take the net positions off. You can see that all the way through here they were quite bullish. So we knew to expect a rally, and then suddenly they've dropped off and they've become very bearish. Well, one of the reasons is they've just been closing off positions over the holidays. All right, so there's a part normal behavior here. But there's a more important thing going on here, is that suddenly we've seen a very large jump up, all the way up to 75,000 contracts short. So what this is telling us is that things are not as bullish as we saw from that bar yesterday. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be watching the forthcoming turning points in the market timing report to be aware and look for some clear sort of potential turns. So the long and short of it really is that for anybody that's long, you want to be protecting your positions and trailing stops accordingly, or managing the risk using options, or however you do. So I hope this helps. It's a short video just showing you some of this smart information, the insider information, legal insider information as we call it. And we'd love you to subscribe to the channel and let us know what you think, and we can keep putting more of these videos out. And you can find out more at markettimingreport.com. And also please feel free to share this short video with your friends. Thank you, and wishing you all a happy new year.